English 3 students, welcome to today's word of the day video. Today's word is for paragraph. Paragraph. So the stress on that word comes in the beginning. Pa, the first syllable, paragraph. So paragraph. There are 3 syllables in the word. The stress is on that first syllable, pa, paragraph. And in Spanish, paragraph is translated párrafo. It is a noun. It has one definition. The one definition is a section of a piece of writing, usually consisting of several sentences, dealing with a single subject. And there is one word family which is paragraphing, and that is the way that a piece of writing is divided into paragraphs. That's what it's written there with a V as a verb. So actually that's what's called a gerund form. So what they're really saying there is that it's possible to use paragraph as a verb, not very often, but it's possible. Paragraph as a verb means to divide into paragraphs, and then if you put ing like that, that's what that's doing is it's saying that talking about the process of dividing into paragraphs as an what's called the gerund. Gerund is like talking about an activity in general with ing. Like if I said swimming is fun, right? So that is, swimming is an activity. You can use it as a verb. You can say like I swim. But if I talk in general about that activity, I can put the ing and I can say swimming is fun. So that's what this is here. This is paragraphing as an ing is there's actually a verb to divide into paragraphs, and then talking in general about it, we put an ing so it makes a gerund. But that is not very common. It's more common to talk about a paragraph, which I'm sure you've all heard because we talk about that a lot when we are helping you with your writing. We talk about how you can divide your own writing into paragraphs. And so let's look at an example sentence. So this is the good example sentence. This is the example sentence that you need to copy, the one that you copy on the back of your card. And this sentence says, a well-written paragraph should have a strong topic sentence and supporting evidence. So this is something that you should have seen many times, probably since maybe even ELD class, definitely English 1, that you practice writing paragraphs and you know that a good paragraph has a structure. It has a strong topic sentence where the first sentence tells you exactly what the paragraph will be about, and then supporting evidence is the details that come in the rest of that paragraph. So that's what paragraphs need to be. It's a section of writing that is all about one topic. It only talks about one thing. And if you start your paragraph and then in the middle you decide, I want to write about something else, I have a new idea, you can put your new idea in a new paragraph. It should not be in the same paragraph. That's the key thing with paragraphs in writing. One main idea per paragraph. So that's your sentence to copy. If you're watching this video, if you want to, you can pause and copy. Normally we copy them on the cards. It's a little different this quarter because we're doing classes from home, but this would be the sentence you would copy when you're making cards. And we're going to go to another example. Here is another example with that first definition, the noun definition. And this example says, students write a full paragraph when they write in their personal reflection journal. So that's a rule for the personal reflection journals for the PM classes, is that they have to write at least one full paragraph, which means not just a sentence or something, but a whole paragraph, a whole section of writing that deals with the same topic, that has probably a topic sentence at the beginning to say what you're going to write about. And another key thing to know about a paragraph, which you should know, is that at the beginning of the paragraph there is an indent, which is a space like this. In Español se llama sangría eso, and that's how you know that it is a new paragraph, right? And we have a think, pair, share activity, which is here if your teacher wants to have you do that. And this activity says, what is the structure of a good paragraph? This is something that you could discuss, you could write about, or you could do another activity with this question to think about and use the word paragraph. Thank you very much for watching.